50 fresh English Literature MCQs. Question number 1. Who wrote The Good Soldier? Correct option is B. Ford Madox Ford. Question number 2. Which literary work begins with the line, "It was the best of times, it was the worst of times"? Correct option is B. A Tale of Two Cities. Question number 3. Who is the author of The Wasteland? Correct option is B. T.S. Eliot. Question number 4. The Bronte sisters originally published under which pseudonyms? Correct option is A. Currer, Ellis, and Acton Bell. Question number 5. Which Shakespeare play features the characters Rosencrantz and Guildenstern? Correct option is B. Hamlet. Question number 6. In Paradise Lost, who is the first to eat the forbidden fruit? Correct option is B. Eve. Question number 7. Who wrote Cry, the Beloved Country? Correct option is B. Alan Paton. Question number 8. Which poet is associated with the concept of a negative capability? Correct option is A. John Keats. Question number 9. Who is the protagonist of The Old Man and the Sea? Correct option is A. Santiago. Question number 10. Who wrote Sons and Lovers? Correct option is A. D.H. Lawrence. Question number 11. The Canterbury Tales are written in which verse form? Correct option is B. Heroic couplets. Question number 12. Who is the author of Brave New World? Correct option is B. Aldous Huxley. Question number 13. Which novel begins with Call Me Ishmael? Correct option is B. Moby Dick. Question number 14. Who wrote Waiting for Godot? Correct option is B. Samuel Beckett. Question number 15. Which poet wrote Ode to the West Wind? Correct option is B. P.B. Shelley. Question number 16. Who wrote The Sound and the Fury? Correct option is B. William Faulkner. Question number 17. In Pride and Prejudice, who is Mr. Darcy's sister? Correct option is B. Georgiana. Question number 18. Which work is considered the first Gothic novel? Correct option is B. The Castle of Otranto. Question number 19. Who wrote Dover Beach? Correct option is A. Matthew Arnold. Question number 20. Which play is set in Illyria? Correct option is A. Twelfth Night. Question number 21. Who is the author of The Grapes of Wrath? Correct option is B. John Steinbeck. Question number 22. Who wrote A Room of One's Own? Correct option is A. Virginia Woolf. Question number 23. Which poet is known for the phrase, "Things fall apart, the center cannot hold"? Correct option is A. W.B. Yeats. Question number 24. Who wrote The Pilgrim's Progress? Correct option is B. John Bunyan. Question number 25. Which literary period is associated with Alexander Pope? Correct option is B. Augustan. Question number 26. Who wrote The Portrait of a Lady? Correct option is A. Henry James. Question number 27. Which novel features the character Pip? Correct option is B. Great Expectations. Question number 28. Who wrote Ozymandias? Correct option is B. P.B. Shelley. Question number 29. The phrase Big Brother is watching you comes from which novel? Correct option is B. 1984. Question number 30. Who wrote The Mill on the Floss? Correct option is B. George Eliot. Question number 31. Which poet wrote The Tiger? Correct option is A. William Blake. Question number 32. Who wrote Heart of Darkness? Correct option is B. Joseph Conrad. Question number 33. In the rhyme of the ancient mariner, what is hung around the mariner's neck? Correct option is B. An albatross. Question number 34. Who wrote The Importance of Being Honest? Correct option is B. Oscar Wilde. Question number 35. Which American poet wrote Song of Myself? Correct option is B. Walt Whitman. Question number 36. Which Shakespeare play is known as the Scottish play? Correct option is A. Macbeth. Question number 37. Who is the author of Kim? Correct option is A. Rudyard Kipling. Question number 38. The poem Daffodils is written by. Correct option is A. William Wordsworth. Question number 39. Who wrote the Jungle Book? Correct option is B. Rudyard Kipling. Question number 40. Which work is a satire on English society in the early 18th century? Correct option is B. Gulliver's Travels. Question number 41. Who wrote She Stoops to Conquer? Correct option is B. Oliver Goldsmith. Question number 42. Which poet wrote Elegy written in a county churchyard? Correct option is A. Thomas Gray. Question number 43. Who wrote Middlemarch? Correct option is B. George Eliot. Question number 44. Who is the main character in Crime and Punishment? Correct option is A. Raskolnikov. Question number 45. Which poet is called the Bard of Avon? Correct option is B. William Shakespeare. Question number 46. Who wrote The Turn of the Screw? Correct option is A. Henry James. Question number 47. The novel KH-22 is written by. Correct option is A. Joseph Hiller. Question number 48. Who wrote A Passage to India? Correct option is B. E.M. Forster. Question number 49. Which poet wrote Kubla Khan? Correct option is B. Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 50. Who wrote Slaughterhouse-Five? Correct option is B. Kurt Vonnegut.